CERT team is important to the community because after a disaster, there's times when the fire department or other emergency people are overwhelmed. The CERT people actually provide care until the professionals can arrive.
There's a big difference between an amateur rescuer and a professional rescuer. An amateur rescuer will think with their heart, where a professional rescuer is supposed to think with their brain.
A bit of training, a little bit of education, a little bit of preparation, you can minimize casualties and in some cases even completely avoid them.
You need to take care of yourself. That's the #1 rule. Take care of yourself and your buddy after a disaster.
They just need to know to expect the unexpected.
Hi, my name is Mark Pollon, Founding Director of Bridges of Love Ministry. Bridges of Love became a nonprofit in 2004 and secured charitable status in 2008. The focus for Bridges of Love from 2006 was on pandemic preparedness due to an invitation from Dr. Tim Foggan to help mobilize churches across Canada to be ready to assist in the event of a pandemic. In 2006, Michelle Seguin, former Director of Public Safety Canada, challenged Bridges of Love to build a template that could be duplicated across Canada. They knew the importance for all stakeholders to be committed to working together to support disaster mitigation in Canada. Our first event was a Regional Faith Community Summit on Pandemic Preparedness and Response, bringing together 16 speakers from across Canada to present the various modules. Out of that summit emerged the Faith Emergency Preparedness Initiative, offering coordination for our church community. We knew that collaboration was so important with the public, private, and faith communities working together on a common goal. A service agreement fulfilling the integration into the municipal management agency's structure was secured in May 2011. Over the years, we have seen an increase in windstorms, hailstorms, Slave Lake fire, pandemics, now worried about the Ebola. The Alberta floods was the worst disaster in Canadian history, and Bridges of Love assisted with the process to match donations through our alberta.recovers.org site with those that had needs during the floods. Don Forger, Insurance Bureau of Canada President, affirms Alberta as the new natural disaster capital of Canada. Getting Ready presents a timely opportunity for government, industry, businesses, individuals, and all sectors to take leadership. The need is clear to foster a collaborative culture of adaptation. The Community Emergency Response Team Basic Training is a grassroots strategy to strengthen community safety and preparedness through increased civic participation. CERT training is for anybody in the community who wants to be better prepared. Due to the generosity of the Calgary Foundation, Bridges of Love secured a grant to conduct 4 CERT summits over this year. We have concluded our first one the end of April, and our second one is scheduled for September the 27th. Being CERT certified means that you have taken the 10 modules and are better informed to assist your community during a disaster. We will also have another site for our CERT teams. You have asked what difference Alliance Pipeline's funding would make. It would help build Bridges of Love sustainability to continue CERT training, providing teams ready to respond should Calgary have another disaster. It would provide for additional staff and volunteers to assist with this major undertaking. It would give credibility to a small charity that has tirelessly worked over the past 8 years on emergency preparedness to provide safer and more resilient communities. We are very appreciative and thankful to the Alliance Pipeline for providing this opportunity for nonprofits to have additional funding. Thank you so much.